Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make some Diablo Deviled Eggs and regular deviled eggs. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to take our boiled eggs and split them in half lengthwise. Just take our knife and cut them down the middle. And then we're going to gently pop out the yolks and put them into the bowl. Alright, we got our 6 egg yolks right here with 3 tablespoons of sesame oil mayonnaise. We got our 12 halves of the eggs right here. To this, we're going to be adding half tablespoon of vinegar and half teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then we have half teaspoon of prepared mustard, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and a dash of pepper. We're going to toss that in there as well. Then we're going to take our fork and we're going to mesh it into a paste. Alright, now we got that all meshed up. We're going to cut one corner. And we're going to squeeze it into each one of the eggs. Alright, and next up we're going to take our paprika and we're going to sprinkle that on the top. This is just as a garnish and a little extra flavor. And there you go. Alright, we got our 6 egg yolks right there with our 3 tablespoons of spicy mayo. To that we're going to add our mustard powder, salt, and pepper. And we're going to add our half tablespoon of malt vinegar with half teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And again, we're going to mesh that up into a paste. Alright, again, now we got that into a paste. Again, we're going to cut one corner of the bag. And we're going to squeeze it evenly into each egg. Giving a little swirl motion to make it look nice and neat. Alright, now that those are all in there, we're going to sprinkle those with some cayenne pepper. This helps to add to that spice and give them that nice color. And there's our deviled eggs. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.